Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making a decisive, safe cut through the damaged area. Once done, keep the cable unplugged and on a non-conductive surface. Strip about 2-3 millimeters of outer insulation and expose individual conductors so you can see the ground and data wires. Make sure to separate and straighten each conductor. This prevents shorts and saves time when you join them. Use precision cutters and a delicate touch, because clean ends make soldering and insulation simpler and more reliable. Once the wires are exposed and organized, twist matching conductors together with a firm, neat wrap so contact is stable before soldering. Apply a small amount of flux, heat the joint briefly, and feed solder until the connection is smooth. This creates a low-resistance bond that lasts. Make sure you had slid appropriately sized heat shrink tubing onto the cable beforehand. After solder cools, center the tubing and shrink it with controlled heat, so the joint is insulated and strain relieved. To finish, add an outer layer of heat shrink that overlaps the repaired area by 5 to 10 millimeters. Once shrunk, this restores flexibility and strain relief. Then test the cable by connecting a device and verifying charging plus data transfer. Make sure both functions work. If something still fails, inspect for cold solder joints, stray strands causing shorts, or shield misalignment. These are the usual culprits. If you find a cold joint, reheat and add a tiny bit more solder, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.